So here it is, our chicken sukka is ready. Welcome to the channel, friends. Today we are making Mangalorean style chicken sukka. Yes, you heard it right, Mangalorean style, because this is a recipe from the mother-in-law. So let us see what went into making this chicken sukka. So we have the chicken, which is around 800 grams. We have 2 onions. We're going to slice and saute that with the chicken. We have one coconut which is grated, fresh coconut, and we have it here the dry ingredients which we are going to roast. So what we have around 10 chilies, red chilies, Kashmiri chilies. We have 6 to 7 garlic pods. We have flakes. Sorry, we have a teaspoon of mustard. We have a teaspoon of cumin. We have around 6 to 7 cloves. We have a 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick over here. We have a tablespoon of coriander seeds, dry coriander seeds. We also have a ball of tamarind. What we are going to do is, without the tamarind, we're going to roast all of these in batches. Then we're going to grind them, and then we'll continue with the recipe. Friends, so dry ingredients are ready. We have roasted all the dry masala, the spices, and also 1 onion and the garlic separately. So now we're going to make a fine paste of this. Not so fine, it could be coarse, doesn't matter. So we'll grind this with a little bit of water, and while we do that, in the meantime, we will saute these onions and add the chicken, to which I have added curry leaves. If you don't have it, you can just omit them. And while you're frying and sauteing the onions and chicken, we're going to use ghee. Alright, the pot is hot. Let's add ghee, 2 teaspoons full, onions. Alright, so our onions are brown nicely. So it's time to add the chicken with the curry leaves. Give it a good stir. Teaspoon of salt. And right now the aroma is amazing with those curry leaves and the ghee. So that makes a big difference in the taste. At this time we also add a little bit of saffron, turmeric. So we're giving it 10 minutes, and this is how it looks. So water leaving from the chicken, and it's time now to add a ground masala. So let's add it. At this time I'm going to put the flame on low. We'll give it another 10 minutes to cook. So the masala added, we'll leave it to simmer on a low flame for 10 minutes. After that we'll add a grated coconut. Alright, so it's more than 10 minutes our chicken was cooking. I'm now going to add 1 whole grated coconut. This is a fresh coconut grated. Give this a mix. So this is the chicken sukka which is ready. After we give it 5 to 10 minutes cooking with the coconut, let's give it 5 minutes before we come back. Alright, chicken sukka is ready to be served. Right friends, so here it is. Our chicken sukka is ready. I hope you like the recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and thank you to all the subscribers too. Once again, I want to wish you in advance a happy new year, and thanks for watching the videos. I'll see you again, and until then, you take care of yourself and goodbye.